Alright, so we're doing a bit of a van cleaning day, and we've got a bit of a before and after here. So before, the fan's absolutely filthy. So we're gonna show you how to pull them apart and put them back together. But yeah, so it was stinking hot last night, and the fans just weren't working as good as they could be. So we're giving the whole van a clean today, and we'll show you how to do it. Alright, so you just spin the fan around, and then there's 4 little clips on the back in each corner, sort of thing. So you just sort of pinch them together and push it forward. All 4 of them. And then the front case should just slide off like that. So I just use, make some hot soapy water in the sink, and I use a microfiber cloth and just a little scrubbing brush to get into the little grooves on the fan blade, which I'll show you. So to pull the fan blade off, I simply grab the casing from behind, and then you gotta sort of, I don't know, do like a claw around it and sort of pull forward. It is firm, and you do feel like you're gonna break it, but it does come and it pops off. So that's how you pull the fan blade off, and there is 4 grooves inside, so when you put it back on, you've got to line those grooves up with the grooves on the fan hub when you put it back together as well. But yeah. So this is where I use the scrubbing brush around in here to clean this up in the groove. So I'll give it a clean, and then I'll show you how to put it back together. So you can see all nice and clean now, and that brush really gets in, especially this last one. That's the hard one to get in and clean if you just use the microfiber cloth. Cleans it right up. Give everything a bit of a quick dry. But yeah, you'd be surprised. You have to do this like every, I don't know, like 6 weeks or so. Like it just builds up because you use the fans every night when it's warm. So yeah, it's something you just got to keep on top of. So like I said, the 4 grooves in the middle there. So you just got to line them up with the 4 grooves. So all I do is sort of spin it so it's straight up and down, and then I can put that straight up and down and sort of just slip it straight on. There we go. And it just slips on, and just make sure you push it all the way down till it's firm. If you don't push that down far enough, the center blade, the center cap will hit the inside of the case, so you'll know you got a problem. And then this is a bit tricky, so I normally just start the top 2 just like that. Don't push them all the way home yet, and then sort of line the bottom 2 up and get them started, and then yeah, you can push it all in and you'll hear the clicks, and that's it, done. So that's how to clean your Sirocco fan. So hopefully you like that tip, and you can maintain your own fans now in your van.